What's up guys, it's your girl Aisha, and if you can tell by the title, today we are going to be doing a decorating my car plus a car tour for you guys. Before we do get started, I'm obviously going to go over the things I got, and they're all from Amazon. There's like one item that I'm still waiting for and it hasn't came yet, but I'll just put a picture of it so you know which item it is. But basically, another thing I wanted to inform you guys is since I'm starting school starting Monday, today is the 21st of August. I don't know when this video is going to upload, but I start school on Monday, which is the 24th of August, and do not end until December. I'm not going to be uploading as much, and I'm not going to have a set schedule. I'm just going to upload when I have a video recorded. And if you want to know when I'm going to be uploading or what type of videos I'm going to be uploading, then just go ahead and follow me on my social media. I'll have it down below so that you guys can follow me on there to stay updated with what's going on with my life. So let's get started and straight into the video. By the way, I haven't opened up any of these packages, even though I've been so anxious to. So y'all gonna be seeing my reaction of these things that I'm opening because, you know. Oh yeah, and by the way, I don't know if I said anything, but this is obviously going to be a cheetah print theme because I got cheetah print everything. Like, your girl loves cheetah print. That's why I'm wearing cheetah print everything right now, because I'm decorating my car cheetah print. So if you didn't know, now you know. Oh, okay, so these are the cup holders. Cheetah print cup holders. It's the glass kind too. I love it. So we're gonna start off with this. It's cheetah print / bling, by the way. So these are little rings, and you guys will most likely see them in the video. So if you don't understand it, then you'll see in the video. But these are rings that you put on where like your head holder is. It's that little metal piece that you have showing. You can put these little rings right there. I also got, because my car is a push to start, so around the push to start, I got little you know, the little shiny little thing. You'll see it again, like I said. This is supposed to be for my car. I don't have emergency brake, so this isn't gonna work for that. Like, I do have emergency brake, but it's not like the one that you pull, so this is not gonna work. Mine's like at the bottom and you put your foot down and push it. That's how mine is. And then this is supposed to be for me, you know, reversing forward. Yeah, y'all probably know the name of it, and I know it, but like I can't think of it. And then I got a little blingy little, you know, charger. I don't know everything. You'll see it in the video, but like, you know, to plug in. Got this little weirdo box, and everything's gonna be linked down below as well. Oh, okay, so this is, which I don't know if it's gonna fit. This is kind of scary looking. This is for my car symbol, like where on my steering wheel, how it has my car name on there. These are like the stickers to make it bling out. This is probably gonna be, and you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, it's so simple. It's probably gonna be my favorite thing in the whole video, because I already know what they are. Your girl got some cheetah print dice balls, and they're so squishy. So there's that. And no, I did not get a vacuum. I don't know why everyone in their video got vacuum cleaners. Well, I mean, because they wanted to. But like, where I live at, the vacuum cleaners are free. So if your girl just wanted to pull up and vacuum her car, I could do that. And I saved the big one for last. So this is my steering wheel. And this is a little arm piece for like where you lift up the armrest. So here you go. So now I'm going to go wash my car, and let's go and get this thing washed and cleaned up.
I don't wanna say too much. Got a lot of feelings, scared that I might mess it up. I'ma always keep it honest, like $100. I'ma be there by your side, girl, no matter what. I'm not like those other guys you knew before. Pull up to the spot, you know I open doors. I won't ever blame you cause you're innocent. Let's show you what your future is. We could drive straight to the beach, put your feet on my dashboard. I'ma bring some roses, anything that you ask for. Play a little music if you wanna. Rolling down the window, we can smoke some.
Alright guys, so we're back at my house, and I have my siblings with me. You guys should know them from my other videos. But basically, they're gonna help record while I put the stuff on the car. Oh, and so by the way, the type of brand of my car, it's a I'm trying to fix the lighting. So the brand of my car is a Hyundai Sonata limited edition. The reason why it's a limited edition is because it has a backup camera and it has a sunroof, so which I can open during this video. That's why they call it a limited edition, because it has those type of things. And then the steering wheel is on. That didn't take as long, but it was definitely kind of hard to put on, but it definitely fits, which I'm glad. I love how it feels. Can you show the thing? Yeah. All right, so this is how it looks like. Oh yeah, I'm basically, the next thing I'm gonna put on is just these dices. But the thing I was missing, which I actually found out I have two things missing. I bought air tire caps that are cheetah print, which it said it was delivered, but they all came in like one thing, but I didn't see that. Another thing is, around here I got a little thing which I'll show you in the picture, but it was cheetah print as well, and it's still coming. It says it's gonna be like arriving in like October 25th, so I'm not waiting until October. Push to start, so I have the little ring. It actually came with like 5 or 4 of them, so that's how that is. Put that on there. So there is the steering wheel. I don't know if my sister's recording it right. So there's the steering wheel, and then here is the ring thing I just put on there. The thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the bling on there. All right, so this is how this one looks like this shiny. Next one I got, which I already have one of these, but obviously wanted to match the car theme, so I got a little stud one as well. Next thing I got were my cup holders. Hey guys, so I'm gonna give you a whole tutorial of my car, of everything that's in it now that everything has now been put on there. Now I'm just gonna show you like the outside of how the car looks like, and like the back seat and everything. I was gonna get seat covers, but I just didn't want it like drenched with too much cheetah print. I feel like this is a good amount, besides a couple things that I'm missing, like for my rear mirror, and then like you'll see the background and everything in my logos and stuff that I have on my car. But after that clip, this is gonna be the end of my video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.